6. Cesar Doña Nicasio pass the begin Magical Bell Salinas Storm Goddess, then followed by Real Excellent and Directors Hunter Reese the early trailer. Doña Nicasio Salinas is on the outside, racing in third. Storm Goddess, Magical Bell in fourth. We have Doña Nicasio Salinas is right behind in second. 3 lengths more back in third. Storm Goddess, Magical Bell, Real Excellent and Directors Hunter is racing in last, with Doña Nicasio by our line. Salinas still in second. Then here comes Magical Bell coming closer on the outside third. Down on the inside board is Storm Goddess. Doña Nicasio Salinas still in second. Magical Bell in third. Here comes Storm Goddess now trying to get closer in fourth, with Doña Nicasio still the leader by about 2 lengths. Salinas. Here comes the Storm Goddess trying to get closer in third. Magical Bell in fourth. Doña Nicasio still in front by about 3 lengths. Salinas is Storm Goddess, Magical Bell, with Doña Nicasio still in front by about 4 lengths. Salinas is Storm Goddess is on the outside third. Doña Nicasio Salinas is Storm Goddess is on the outside, but it's still Doña Nicasio. Second is Storm Goddess, Salinas, Magical Bell.
From gate to wire, entry number 1, that's Doña Nicasio, banderang tapos with R.D. Raquel Jr., Masi Segundo. Numero 5, Storm Goddess. Third, ito pong numero 3, Salinas. At papasok sa inyong quartet, numero 6, Magical Bell. 1, 5, 3, and 6 para sa inyong unofficial placing. Tingnan po muli natin ang kakatapos lang na karera. Ito